What if many of your decisions are influenced without you even realizing it? What if marketers, leaders, social media, and even everyday conversations use psychological triggers that quietly shape your behavior every single day? In this video, I'm sharing key ideas and personal reflections from Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert B. Cialdini. This powerful book explores the psychology behind persuasion and explains why people say yes, how influence works, and how we can make smarter decisions while also communicating more effectively. The central message of the book is this: human decisions are often influenced by psychological shortcuts. Because life moves quickly, our brains use mental patterns to make decisions faster. These shortcuts can be helpful, but they can also make people vulnerable to manipulation and emotional persuasion. The book explains several key principles that strongly influence human behavior. One of the most powerful principles discussed in the book is reciprocity. People naturally feel pressure to give back after receiving something. This is why free samples work, favors create obligation, and kindness often increases cooperation. Another major lesson from the book is social proof. People often look at others to decide what is correct or valuable. This explains viral trends, online reviews, crowd behavior, and social media influence. Crowds influence behavior more than we realize. The book explains that people tend to trust authority figures automatically. Titles, expertise, uniforms, and status strongly affect credibility. Verify information instead of blindly trusting authority. Develop critical thinking skills. Use credibility ethically when communicating with others. Authority shapes perception. One fascinating lesson from the book is this: people value things more when they seem limited or rare. This is why marketers use phrases like limited time offer, only a few left, or exclusive access. Avoid impulsive decisions driven by urgency. Pause before reacting emotionally to scarcity. Recognize how fear of missing out influences behavior. Scarcity increases emotional decision-making. The book also highlights the principle of consistency. People prefer acting consistently with their previous choices, commitments, and identity. Another important idea is that people are more easily influenced by those they like and relate to. Similarity, friendliness, compliments, and emotional connection increase persuasion. Connection strengthens communication. One lesson I personally took from this book is this: many decisions people make feel logical, but emotions, social influence, and psychological triggers often play a bigger role than we realize. Influence reminds us, understanding psychology helps us make wiser decisions, communicate more effectively, and avoid unnecessary manipulation. Awareness creates stronger choices. If this message resonated with you, comment "Think for yourself" below as a reminder to stay aware of how influence shapes decisions and behavior. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone interested in psychology, communication, leadership, or personal growth today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.